So we are back on the main view of the keyword clustering tool, where we can see all our keyword clusters. We can see where we are ranking, where we are not ranking. And now we will focus on clusters where we are already ranking, because we might need to optimize our existing page, or maybe create a new page. Indeed, this is a bit, let's say, the most advanced topic, but it's not that advanced. You will get it. Let me show you an image. So basically, the question is now, should I create or optimize? So here, how to decide. We have a keyword cluster. We have no article ranking. This, we have done that in a previous video. Then, no-brainer. Your article is not ranking. The topic makes sense. Create a new article. But now we are in this path. We have an article ranking. There is two options. The search intent of our article is aligned with the search intent of the cluster. Then you should optimize your article. The intent is not correct, then create a new article. So when you will focus on cluster where we are ranking, there will be always these two options to consider. Should I create a new article here, or should I optimize the existing one? So quickly, let's have a look. I will focus only here on the cluster where I'm already ranking. And I will just maybe not select display the favorite, because I have no favorites so far. Let's take the very first one. This is quite, I think, easy to understand. I even don't need to analyze the cluster just by checking the URL. So here, the cluster is about what is marketing automation. So clearly, informational topic or intent. I guess people want to understand what it is. I'm pretty sure there is a lot of AI overview. Yes, 100%. And here our article rank on average at the position 20. And our article is active campaign, blog, marketing automation. Maybe let's have a look. I guess it's a classic what is article with, yes, exactly what is marketing automation, why use it, benefits, and so on. So, and maybe they put a bit of their product inside, I guess, or some image. So yes, quite straightforward, let's say, article. So here we are in this view, well, where I am. So article is ranking. The intent is correct. I need to optimize my existing article. So now how to optimize it? Well, let's have a look at the cluster itself. I will add it to my favorites. So later on, I know that this is one article that I selected. And I click on the Analyze button to get more insight about the cluster. So here we go. We are on the cluster analysis. I won't go through all the views and tabs and reports. We did that in a previous video. Click here if you want to understand all of these reports in detail. But I will show you what is the difference when one of your articles is already ranking. Basically, if you go in the domain tab, you will see some information about your domain, your visibility, so and what is the best article. So our best page is what is marketing automation, and it ranks in average at the position 20. So it means that for all the keywords, I go back now on the keyword quickly. There is how many keywords? 14 keywords in this cluster. So for the 14 keywords, my article is ranking just a few times. In fact, 3 times in average at the position 20. So here, there is things maybe to optimize. Also here, our visibility, we only rank in the top 10 for one keyword. As you can see here, only one keyword. I think it's this one that is in the top 10. And there are even 2 articles, in fact. The best one is what is marketing automation. There is another one about marketing automation process. So here, there is some improvement to do. You can check the keywords, obviously, the one where you are not ranking, and maybe see if you can optimize a few things. You can obviously do an analysis, check your competitor, see what they're speaking about. And also here, when you're on the domain tab, you can also audit the page. So if you click here, let's have a look. It will start the audit process. And you can then go to the audit and figure out what is missing in your article versus your competitor. So here you see now you have the result of the audit. You have an overview of the recommendation. Here you can see also your page versus the top 10 number of words. I have too many words, but I don't know if it's really bad, but maybe yes, things to improve, things to cut, maybe. Image count, page rank, etc. You can see you versus the other. Again, here we have the list of competitor. Now your title, your meta description is really long. I don't know what they did here. Yes, well, meta description is not a big deal, but it's quite long here. Then we can see the outline. We can see in green the one that are in common. In red, the one that is missing. You see, quite interesting here. Everybody is using what is marketing automation is H2. Here we have no H2 with that. We have a H1 obviously, but no H2. So maybe just by also looking at that, missing headings, missing terms. Here there is no missing terms, but anyway, I think the article can be fine-tuned a bit, adding maybe additional headings, some specific keywords, and it might improve its ranking. So you can see there is different ways or different source of information to guide your content optimization. Let's go back to the main view, because now we did the first one. So the first pass here, article is ranking, intent is correct, optimize the article. And now let's check the intent is not correct. Here also you will need to deep dive a bit. So this one is an interesting case. The topic is affordable marketing automation platform. So I think it's a good commercial keyword. The average PR, so the domain authority is not so high. I will add it to my favorites, because here what you can see is that it's our main page, there's a home page that is ranking for that, and it's ranking as a position 38. So clearly, I mean, nobody will never type affordable marketing automation platform and click on the page number 4 and click on our domain. So here it's a chance, I guess, to create an article about what are the affordable marketing automation platform, a listicle, classic listicle. But here you see, and again, I won't click on analyze, but you get the point now. Here, this one is a new article to create. I will then click on the analyze button. I will check what my competitors are doing. I will create a content brief, pull all the data from the SERP, put my own analysis and give that to my writer. So now we have covered the main view and the main use cases of the keyword clustering tool, where you can figure out keyword cluster, understand if you're ranking or not, understand which new content you can create, figure out article where you're already ranking, and figuring out if you can optimize them or if you should create a new content. So this is really the essence of keyword clustering, is to guide your content strategy and to help you create better content, avoiding cannibalization. In the next videos, we will explore more advanced features to go beyond only blog content, but also analyzing where there is a video or not, and also showing more advanced features of the keyword clustering tool.